this is how to run MongoDB on Azure. So from your Microsoft Azure dashboard, we will create a resource. Then we will create a virtual machine. And for our subscription, we will choose Azure subscription 1. And for our resource group, we can create new. So for instance, MongoDB. Click OK. We'll name this MongoDB as well. And choose your region. So for instance, let's say US East. And for our availability options, we will choose availability zone. And we can just choose zone 1. And we can use trusted launch virtual machines. For image, you will need to choose your operating system. So we'll choose Ubuntu. We will choose x64. Okay, since this is not supported, we will go to zone 2 and we will disable zone 1. And you can just choose standard B1S. And for authentication, you can choose SSH or password. Let's try password. Okay, we'll add MongoDB user. And I'll paste a secure password. We will open SSH22 and click review plus create. And just click create. And then we will go to resource. And we will copy our public IP and we will connect to our virtual machine. So you can use any SSH client. And I'll just paste the IP here. And for our username, will be MongoDB user. And just click login. Accept and save. And paste your password here and click OK. And click New Terminal Console. Then we will install MongoDB. So let's go to MongoDB official documentation. So scroll down and we will install MongoDB Community Edition. So just copy this command, paste it here and hit enter. Then another command, hit enter. So we will create the list of files. So we will choose 24.04 because this is our operating system. Copy your command, paste it here. And we will reload the package database. So copy this command, paste and hit enter. And we will now install MongoDB community server. So just copy this command. And if you want a specific release, click here. But we will use the latest release. So paste the command here, hit enter. And we'll go back to our documentation and we will run MongoDB. And we will use systemd. So just copy this command, right click. Then we will verify the installation. So we will copy this command. And our MongoDB is running. And you can also stop MongoDB by using this command and also restart MongoDB. Let's start using MongoDB using Mongo sh. Just repeat this one and paste Mongo sh. And now MongoDB is officially running on Azure. So this is how to run MongoDB on Azure.